SAWiE, leading the way in climate-smart regenerative agriculture. SAWiE is a pioneering climate-smart regenerative agriculture advisory company in Pakistan. We offer comprehensive farm advisory services, including the provision of farm inputs such as seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, machinery, and loans. Additionally, we provide weather alerts and on-ground field agronomist support to enhance agricultural productivity. We recently participated in the Digital Agriculture Consortium (DAC) event in Islamabad, marking a significant milestone in the digital transformation of Pakistan's agriculture sector. This event was organized under the PDAC project, technical support for the establishment of Pakistan Digital Agriculture Consortium, supported by the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations (FAO) and the Ministry of National Food Security and Research (MNFSR). The event showcased products and services from digital agriculture companies across Pakistan, offering attendees hands-on experiences and insights into the latest advancements in digital agriculture. We also exhibited a range of digital solutions, from precision agriculture tools to smart farming technologies. Our presentations provided in-depth insights into critical aspects of digital agriculture, including digital track and traceability systems and land information management. These sessions highlighted the potential of digital technologies to enhance agricultural productivity, efficiency, and sustainability. We are open to work with the FAO, the Government of Pakistan, and other interested business partners for the betterment of Pakistan's agriculture sector. Stay connected with SAWiE's social media accounts and download SAWiE's app from Play Store to get more information and timely updates.